Have you ever been in a situation where you need to get a message from someone, but you can't access your phone? Maybe you're at work and you're not allowed to use your phone, or maybe you're in a meeting and you don't want to disturb anyone. In any case, it can be frustrating to not be able to get your messages. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get messages on Vonage. Vonage is a VoIP service that allows you to make and receive calls and messages from your computer or other internet-connected device. Here are the steps on how to get messages on Vonage. Sign in to your Vonage account. Click on the Messages tab. You will see a list of your messages. Click on the message you want to read. You can also reply to messages from this page. Here are some additional tips for getting messages on Vonage. You can also get messages on the Vonage app. You can set up Vonage to forward messages to your email address. You can also set up Vonage to send you text messages to your phone. I hope this video has helped you learn how to get messages on Vonage. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Here are some additional resources that you may find helpful. Vonage website, https://www.vonage.com. Vonage app, https://www.vonage.com/downloads. Vonage support, https://support.vonage.com/contact us. Additional notes. You can add images or videos to your script to make it more visually appealing. You can also add a call to action at the end of your script to encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel or visit your website. You can also add a link to your website or social media channels in the description of your video. I hope this helps.